Hi, this is Hatsiri Martinez, and here is my week 9 assignment is the Net Core MVC application. And okay, for this, I follow the tutorial of Microsoft Docs tutorial, and I'm going to show you the changes that here uh, indicate me to make. Okay, so first, the movie database should only be church themed movies such the RM, Other Side of Heaven, and Meet the Mormons. So here are these three uh, movies, and then um, also the title of each page are reflective of the purpose of the page and application. For example, and edit is like movie edit, LDS movie app, delayed, movie delayed, or movie details. And also the headings and content descriptions are about this. Okay, so the footer should contain a copyright with the current year and my name and my country. So here is the ability to sort all movies by release date. So here is the sort by release date. Okay, like this. And uh-huh. Now, when creating a new movie, restrict the genre field to allow choices using a drop-down selection structure of your choice. So if I add a new movie, I can select these genres of the movie. Uh-huh. And also it says that update the movie model to store the image name as a string. So here is the my movie model, and here is the image name string where I'm storing the name of the image. Uh-huh. And add an image of your movie in the details view. So just in the details views, all the images are included there, like this. Okay, and change the color scheme from black white to a color scheme of your choice. I choose this scheme colors is minty theme. And okay, so let me show you. Here is my folder with the images, and in details I have the part of display the image in the detail view. Okay, so here is the image path variable with where I construct the path with the this part of the path and the name of the image. So yeah, I think it's all for this assignment. So thank you so much and see you next week.